Hi everyone, welcome back to Global Creative Design. Today's tutorial we will explore one of the most powerful and important tool in Adobe Illustrator, the pen tool. This tool allows you to create custom shapes, paths and intricate designs with precision. If you are new to the pen tool, don't worry, I will make it easy for you. So let's start. The pen tool is located in the toolbar, represented by a fountain pen icon. You can activate it by clicking on the icon or pressing the shortcut key P on your keyboard. The pen tool works by creating anchor points and connecting them with straight or curved lines to form paths. Let's begin by creating a straight path. Select the pen tool and click anywhere on the artboard to create your first anchor point. Now move your cursor to another spot and click again to create the second anchor point. You will notice the straight line appears between the 2 points. Continue clicking to add more points and extend the path. To finish the path, click on first anchor point to close the shape. Now let's create a curve. With the pen tool selected, click to place the first anchor point. For the second point, click and drag in any direction. You will see two handles appear. These are called Bezier handles and they control the direct and curvature of the lines. To adjust the curve, you can drag the handles in or out. Once you are satisfied, click to place the next anchor point and repeat the process. If you need to create sharp corners instead of curves, you can use the convert anchor point feature. Hold down the Alt key and click on an anchor point to turn it into a corner. This is great for creating regular shapes or combining straight and curved segments. The pen tool allows you to edit paths after they are drawn. Switch to the direct selection tool by pressing A and click on any anchor point. From here you can move the point, adjust the handles or reshape the path as needed. To delete an anchor point, select the Delete Anchor Point tool from the Pen tool menu and click on the point you wanted to remove. Similarly, you can add points to your path using Add Anchor Point pen tool. These options make the pen tool extremely versatile for refining your designs. The pen tool may seem challenging at first, but the practice it becomes one of the most valuable tools in Illustrator. Try experimenting with straight line, curves, and shapes to get comfortable with it. Thanks for watching this tutorial on pen tool. If you find this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Global Creative Design for more easy to follow tutorials. In the next video, we will explore Shape Builder tool to learn how to combine and manipulate shapes. See you next time and happy designing.